Cheers! Ayan.
Happy New Year.
Sabi ng team, cupcake, face, at saka shampoo, at saka
Yung isang hindi naka-picture siya. I mean, sige, one more time, one more. Ayan, yan, naka-video na. Cheers na. Okay, here are your gifts. Late lang. But it's nice, no? May New Year's gift giving. Oh, sabay na silang dalawa.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Attention, chon, chon, chon.
Sabay mo na silang dalawa.
Happy New Year.
Kicks.
Kicks and Ins.
Ins.
Okay na, sabay-sabay na kayo. Ins.
Yay! Wow, cookie!
Yes!
Baby kasi, andun yung kay baby. Jumping jack! Happy New Year, baby! New Year! Olga is busy preparing her cupcakes!
And Mama Jane is busy preparing her pudding halaga.
Yeah! And we are preparing Ian's kare-kare! And chop, yes, chopped everything. Ay, say ito. This is kare-kare. And then, pansit. Filipino pansit for the, typical long life. Yun. Ang dami pamahiin. And the jalapenos with mozzarella wrapped in bacon something. We'll remove the toothpicks later. We just want it to form that way, like wrap it around. And before I forget, the very first purple yum I am making. There's always the first in your life, no? And since COVID has made me cook, now I can imagine what ingredients I would put for something like this. I didn't realize ube halaya, which is one of my favorite staples sa yung kakanin. It's how simple it is, but yun, sabi nga ni Mariel, you have to keep stirring it para hindi malagkit. And the start of the banana cake. And this is for, we don't wanna throw the ripe banana. We are gonna make this as a turon later. Because this guy loves turon. And kare-kare. Shrimps and crabs. Hopefully Ian will have.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. We will make crab and corn soup.
Mm-hmm.
And
So banana cake is an extra. And ube halaya is an extra because we have a lot of ingredients. We don't want it to expire.
anyway, it's New Year, so it's prosperity. So we'll prepare as much as we can.
Yay!
Ah, yeah, and we have 13 fruits. Wait, that's our 13 fruits already for circles. Yun yung sign of prosperity. And then, gift giving is not yet done. We still have gifts to give.
Yay!
I miss the 10-feet Christmas tree set up here. Like the previous years. Kaya this year, Olga is alone in Salwa, so we celebrated Christmas with her. And again, the New Year. We left our homes for the Salwa New Year. So we're here in Salwa.
Yes.
So what's your pamahiin for the New Year's? We're not supposed to leave home. This is our old people's pamahiin, superstitious belief.
Supposed to be home. I guess it's because we have to be around family during this time, because they said once you whatever you do on the 1st of January, first of the year, is what you'll keep doing the rest of the year.
Yeah, my God.
So basically, since Filipinos are family oriented, I guess this is where we're getting all this pamahiin from.
So we're gonna be together the whole year.
Yes.
Hopefully, yeah, because there's still COVID and it's not gonna end soon. There's another wave of COVID.
Scary, really.
Scary, yeah. So, and then we're gonna wear pajama later after cooking and preparing all these dishes on our menu. We're gonna be wearing our pajamas straight for
Does
bed.
it mean that whole year will be dead?
Inshallah. As we're saying, no, like I'm watching one of the YouTube channels, which is Information Overload, and Bree there says that she's one of the rarest, weirdest people on earth that doesn't want naps. Like she doesn't like napping. Because she feels like if you're napping even for 10 minutes, you're missing a part of your life. So for the new year, you're not supposed to nap. Otherwise, you're gonna be napping the whole year. Now we're realizing that we should have napped all those days that we were sent to napping. Because now we need naps. Like me, I slept like 3 a.m. in the morning, and so I need sleep. And today we're gonna be awake until wee hours in the morning. So diba? So you kids, if you're sent by your moms and your dads to napping, please nap. You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it when you start working and you become responsible for your own life. Ay nako, so much to do. You don't have time to nap. Then you'll realize, I should not have missed napping.
Exactly.
Like me now, I wish I have time to nap. So this is your banana cake ready for the pan. This will make how many, baby?
Actually, that will make
Around a dozen?
48 muffins.
48 muffins? That's a lot. Kala ko 12 lang talaga. Okay, because it will grow double, no?
Ayun, amoy na.
Smells so banana-ish. 12 banana cupcakes.
First batch.
Ang bango. Oh my gosh. 12 and the one with Nutella is beyond. Just making palitaw. So this is glutinous sticky rice, no?
Yeah.
So parang perfect na siya. And then we flatten and then we steam.
No,
Yan ba
you
yun?
boil it.
It's called palitaw.
Yeah.
So after making it balls,
Then you flatten it little bit. And then you drop it in hot water
to boil,
to boil. And then
it rises.
it will rise when it's cooked.
Okay.
That's when it's called palitaw.
Yeah.
So when it
Palitaw
floats,
is float, no?
it's done. You can put it in cold water.
Okay. Cold water it is with the ice. So it doesn't stick to each other, no?
Yes.
Okay. This one is done. Multitasking, attending to different things that you try to cook at once. Sampo. Oof.
Kasi big, syempre. So
Yes. Oh my God, it looks so good. Sarap nito, baby. Woo. Boy, every Filipino wants. And Olga is making it as lechon kawali. Yeah.
Mama Jane,
Yes, I'm good at frying. So lechon kawali.
here we go.
Fireworks, oink oink.
You
What
know
did
what
you
you
call
do
it?
after boiling it in garlic, salt, and pepper,
Mm-mm.
before you hang it, you poke the skin with a knife or something
Poke it
sharp.
with it. Okay.
Then lather it with vinegar.
Mm-mm. And
that's
then
it. That's it.
dry it?
Dry it out.
Okay.
That's the secret.
To a crispy pork skin. Sarap bulak-bulak. Oh my gosh. Sarap. Ano to pork din to? Bulak-bulak talaga.
Mama Jane.
Pork skin talaga. Chicharon. Ay, shit. Sarap.
Iyan yung kami-kami!
Master Chef is making pansit.
Yeah.
Finally. And the lumpiang Shanghai turned into siomai.
It's an art.
Siomai. Yeah. Your pansit looks so good. Yum, yum.
Yeah. Pansit.
Pansit specialty of Ian. Wow. Our table is set. Our main table is not gonna accommodate all of us. Our table is so set. And look, it's so nice. Ian, please take us through your medianoche preparations.
Okay, so for us, it's a superstitious belief that, for every New Year, and all the New Year celebration, the whole table should be full. So this is basically what we've done for tonight's celebration of the medianoche. Basically, we have here, it's not yet here, but we've prepared the soup. It will be the same thing because everyone loves the crab and corn soup. We've made here a cheese board. Okay, so as you can see, there's 3 different types of cheese. There's cold cuts, there's fruits, and there's crackers.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah, it's a work in progress. So what you're seeing right now is not yet finished and has to be
90%.
completed. Yeah. Now we have here spring rolls. Okay, as our appetizer. This looks so good, and I swear you guys have to try this. This is a jalapeno bacon wrap with cheese.
Mozzarella
cheese. And of course, this beautiful piece of art, okay? Because I was telling Jane earlier that how she has done this is so beautiful. This is like a dumpling, kind of like siomai, but a fried siomai. Now, we'll move on to, again, sticking to the belief of having a long life.
for abundance.
Yeah. So, this is Chinese noodles.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, with a lot of veggies on the top. Now we have here the baked shrimps. And of course, okay, so we have the lechon kawale and with 2 variants of sauce. Now I'll be moving here with the fish. We have the oxtails too. And this is the vegetables. And we have here the shrimp paste, which goes along with this too.
Yes.
And now we're moving to the dessert. And of course, you can see here, there's 2 different, there's like the muscovado, which is the brown sugar. And
Which is the Visayas version.
Yeah. And now, which is for Jane and Olga, and this is for me and Leroy. With the
The
white
white
sugar.
sugar.
And this is sesame seeds.
We were so discussing it like half.
Yeah, because then I said like, since we're practicing here democracy, so we'll split it into 2. Alright? Now we have here a very nice banana cupcake.
Oh my god, it tastes so good.
Yeah, it's so nice. And then we have, okay, Olga's adding this up. This is the ube halaya, okay? Whenever you cook this, like that means that we're all sticking together.
Yes.
We're all bonded together. So this is
And let Lux get stuck on you for the whole
okay,
year.
so it will all stick with you. So that's the whole thing, and that's the whole purpose of cooking this. And again, like that's what I was saying. The whole thing has this superstition and like beliefs which is being practiced. From the longest, I think like when I was born, I mean like this is something that I've already been taught of, and whenever I ask like when you're going to have this and all that, like when you have specific meals that you have to do for. And then of course our chocolate cake.
Especially made and baked
Yeah,
by yours truly in
Yeah.
a neon orange Adidas.
Yeah. Now we're moving on to, of course, this is our fruit platter. Okay. So again, for fruit platter, normally we prepare 12 different kind of fruits. Actually, it's only 12, but for some, because they want to exceed the luck for the 12 months. So basically, the 12 stands for the 12 months of luck.
Yes.
Okay? But then for some, put 13.
I think it's because Olga is Chinese at the same time.
Yeah, there are some who's making it 16. So again, it depends on how much month do you have in mind that you have to be lucky.
It's for me, yesterday I was like 13 because it's the 13th month pay.
Yeah, because obviously if you receive your 13th month pay, then you're lucky. Right, then we have your gold coins. This is a prosperity bowl.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's basically the rice with coins and then with different bills. So I think like the whole thing about the new year is like attracting all the luck for the new beginning.
Yes, having to live your life in a new beginning. Yeah, right.
Yeah. So here's to the new of the new year. Happy New Year, everyone.
Yeah.
Yay! Let's celebrate.
Yes. And with all this food that you've prepared, we have prepared. How many of us are here?
There basically will be 5. So will be
5
5
people.
I think, huh?
5
Yeah,
people.
and Lexi.
Woo!
By the way, so again, like what Jane mentioned, it's a 90%. It's a work in progress. So as what you can see, there's still addition that is coming into the table because I assure you this will be full. So I'll see you, I think, by 2022 and we'll see how the year has been, right?
Yeah.
So you guys have to watch out now for what
Olga has added some more.
And then we have here caramelized ham,
Oh,
with
pineapple.
on top. And of course, to add into our dessert is the fruit salad.
And to add to what Ian has actually told you about traditions and Filipino culture and how we celebrate or prepare for the New Year celebration, one of the things that we are busy searching for is actually what color do we wear during the New Year? What is the color that we need to celebrate for the next year? So I've come across this site that told me that 2021 is a color for an illuminating yellow. I'm sorry, this is the brightest yellow I have in the closet, and this is what I'm wearing preparing all this food, so kind of smelly now. But this is good for the occasion. It's a bright, illuminating, it's a vibrant yellow. And then there's also this other color in combination to the yellow, bright, vibrant yellow, which is called the illuminating gray. And this one, illuminating gray. It's not very vibrant, but it's like sort of a gray pebbles color. So, and it actually brings a firm foundation, actually depicts a stability for the coming year. So this is why it's vibrant yellow and illuminating gray.
Happy New Year, Mama!
Grabe, thank you for preparing all these. Grabe, ang dami, my goodness. And Happy New Year. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you happen to stumble upon my vlog or this channel, I hope that you'd give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And of course, click that subscribe button right there. And of course, the notification bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new vlog, which I upload every Friday. Thank you so much. Bye.